Okay, sorry about that. So
Yeah.
here's the deal. I have a I have a I have someone who wants to buy
Okay.
one of my books. They want to buy the listing, and I can't keep it in my account. So, I'm sure they have to set up their own account. From
Okay.
from
So,
from what I hear.
like they.
So, what are the steps that I need to take in order to transfer the rights of of uh, of this listing to them?
So listing in a sense, you are mentioning about one book, right?
Actually, there are two. Um,
Okay.
it's called the Grillaholics Burger Book, and what he wants is he wants the position of the book. He's uh, it would be the same title and everything,
Okay.
but he just wanted to be able to edit the book, as he saw fit, which you can do. You can edit a book.
Okay.
Um, but
So
he,
I understand your situation. So the thing is, if you wish to hand over the book's right to, so that enabling him to publish the book from his account, you need to unpublish your book from your end,
uh-huh.
and he needs to create an account from on his own, and put up a bank account on his own, and set up the account and publish it as the updated version of the book or the same book. What we can do is the ascent will be a bit different. So if you have reviews for the existing book, we can transfer from that unpublished book to the new book. And regarding the rights, so it's like if we have any queries regarding the copyright, if we feel that this person is trying to publish a book which he has to hold copyright, we at the time of publishing we will be contacting him via email to provide necessary documentation that please provide this documentation that you have the necessary rights for this book, and if he provides, he will be able to publish it.
Okay, so
Yeah.
okay, so you're that last part that you said, I guess
Okay.
step one would be to create an account.
Yes.
The
So
second,
he has to the person. Yeah. The
right, the
person
sec,
who
exactly,
wishes to. Yeah.
exactly. The second step would be to set up his bank account.
Yes. So why I am mentioning is because if sales is happening for that particular book in that account, the royalties will be paid to the bank account which he mentions in that account.
Sure.
So yes, so
And
that's the reason I'm mentioning that he has to set up a bank account, and like if he has an agreement to pay you, like we won't be answering directly to you, like we will be saying that we have paid the royalties to this particular bank which is under this account.
right. So I know those are the two main steps of setting an account up.
Yes.
Okay, so the third thing that he mentioned was he did not want he just wanted to be able to change uh, the copy, on the copy on the insides of the book and whatnot, which
Okay.
I know you can do. So, and I guess he'll have his own cover. So I know he needs another book in the place of this book.
Okay, so the thing is, if like you are sharing the manuscript with him and he's making a changes and updating it, so he can do that. If it is like up to your personal discretion how you share the manuscript with him, and why you share it. So once he uploads it, let's say he has clicked on publish, And we feel that from our end, we will have a doubt whether if he is the original copyright holder for it, if we get a doubt. So it's like a possibility that we may contact the person regarding asking for copyrights of the book, so that and if he produces that document, the book will be published.
Okay,
So it's like a clarification we will be asking.
So you guys will ask him for his copyright info?
Yes, not his copyright info, like for the book. So if he has the particular copyrights for the book he is publishing, so he has to provide the document or whatever you two have an agreement to it. And it's a possibility, like only when we get a doubt that, let's say he has made an entire change to it and it has nothing to do with your version, so then in that case we won't be needing that information on the document.
Right. That's one of the things he mentioned that he wanted to do. He said that he had his own version of what his company has, and he wants to take that and put that as this book. However, he does want the title of the book and the position of the book. Like, there's a little bit of history that comes along with these books. So as far as this book, how do I say, like, this book matches up with the product, because it's almost like product support. So he'll get all of that also, right? Like, everything just transfers over to him.
Sorry?
Like, everything just transfers over to him. Like, I'm giving him the ASIN, this position. Like, I'm just.
No, sir. Yes. So from your end, it will be not like a transfer of this particular book from one account to another. It will be like you have unpublished your book from your account. Okay, and he has published the same book with. He will get a different ASIN assigned to it. So because for each entity in Amazon, the ASIN is always unique.
Say that again.
So for each entity, like even if it is a product or book or anything, the ASIN is unique. It cannot be like transferred from one account to another. So like you will be unpublishing this particular ASIN from your account, and he will be publishing as a new entry. And when he clicks publish, a new ASIN will be assigned to that particular book or whatever he is publishing.
Okay, so as far as the ebook, I could probably just transfer the ebook.
No, sir, it's for ebook, paperback, everything. So like you cannot transfer this ASIN to another account. You have to unpublish it from your account, and he will be publishing as a new entity with your manuscript.
Okay.
Yes.
So what I was told, I called about this a couple of weeks ago. We've been going back and forth on emails, and the only way it makes sense for him to the only thing that makes sense for him to purchase here, I'm gonna read something here. Hold on one second. What he wants is he wants the position of the book. He wanted the ASIN. He wanted to keep the history of, recently, or not recently, but usually purchased with this product, or usually purchased with this book is this product.
So that is, I don't get the position part, but the thing is, the usually bought with this product, and it is random for each customer, and we don't really control from KDP. We don't control that particular thing for usually bought together. So we don't actually control that. It's not under our control. We are here. We will be publishing the book. The detail page will be created, and the customers who want to buy it can buy it, and the royalties will be paid to the bank account which is used to publish.
Right. So, okay. If he sets up his own account and I give him the rights to this book, like
Yes.
I want to transfer this book over to his company. So, in
So
that aspect, it's the same book and it should keep the history along with the reviews that you guys
yes.
could,
So
you know.
regarding his okay. So I get that history when you are mentioning about the reviews, right?
I'm sorry?
So we have an option. Yeah, you are mentioning about the reviews which this book has already got, correct?
Yes.
When it comes to history. So we have an option. We understand that these kind of scenarios happen. So what the other person, like the one who is going to republish your account, can do is he can write back to us saying that can you just transfer the reviews of the book which was unpublished from your account. So we will just verify that the book from your account is unpublished, and we have a facility where we can transfer the reviews to the existing new one which is created by him.
Okay.
And it will appear within, there's a timeline where it will appear, and the customer reviews will be retained for that book.
Okay. Okay, so you can transfer the reviews. What about the purchase history of the book linked up with the product that he has? So would that be in the same letter?
No, so purchase history, in a sense, you are talking about sales report, right?
I'm talking about on Amazon's website when it says
Okay.
When it says frequently purchased together.
Okay.
Like the history of the recently purchased together, and it may have, because this is a burger book, so this burger book is recently purchased together with a burger press, and so he wants to be able to keep that as well, because because it's linked up with the history of the book.
Yes. Can I just place a call on hold where I verify whether it is possible or not?
I mean, it seems like that's it. I mean, it follows the. I mean, he's buying the rights to this book, even if he opens up another account, and has another. Even if he has another ASIN, it seems like if you can transfer the reviews, you can transfer the history of what happened, kind of with the book too, like the maybe not the sales history, but the.
To be honest, when so you can say that recently purchased together is with that is what for one particular ASIN is. So I am highly doubtful that recently purchased together will get transferred to that one, because for this ASIN the sales is different, and that will be a new ASIN.
How?
And I am not 100% sure that it handles it, because I know for sure that it's based on each ASIN, and it may differ from each marketplace also.
Do you know what I'm referring to right now?
Yes, recently purchased together. There's an option where customers who bought this book have purchased this also. There's an option, correct?
Right.
Yes. So this history, when you transfer this, you